it is most people's aim to become rich in life. You want to live a luxurious life, like Bill Gates, like Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi. You want to drive the most expensive cars in the world. You want to be rich in order to acquire whatever you want in life. Travel around the world. Rich people are able to acquire whatever they desire, be it cars, airplanes, private jets, houses. Mostly, what we don't realize is the habit they develop for themselves, which help them to be rich. If you aim to be rich, you will need to make a lot of sacrifices. You have to develop habits that will help you to become rich, like the others. In this video, I will share with you 10 habits of the rich. But before that, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe in order to continue to receive more educative and informative videos like this. Number 1. They set goals. Every rich man we've heard of, seen, or known before had a goal in mind. One hardly succeeds in life without a goal. If you aim to be rich or successful in life, you have to have a goal. Without a goal, you succeed at nothing. Let's take Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook for instance. His goal was to provide a social platform for everyone to be able to connect. Jeff Bezos' goal was to provide a platform where customers or clients could connect with manufacturers or sellers to be able to order for their goods or services via online called Amazon. Setting smaller goals will help you to become rich like Cristiano Ronaldo. Number 2, they read a lot. As Jim Rohn once said, and I quote, "Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary." It is not by accident that Bill Gates reads about 50 books in a year. That is almost one book in a week. Reading book is as important to the mind as exercise is to the body. Rich people have the habit of reading books because it opens up their mind. It gives them new perspectives and ideas about life. In order to explore what separates the rich from the average person or ordinary person is the fact that the rich is always looking for more ideas and information to grow. Number 3, they analyze their financial tree. The rich examines how well they are performing in terms of their finances. In accounting are the 4 main items to look out for in terms of your finances: your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. The rich looks at the assets that brings him more money, that makes him more rich. They cut down expenses and increase their incomes to become rich. Never leave your financial tree to chances. Check on them from time to time to ensure you are becoming rich. Number 4, they pay themselves first. The rich has the habit of paying himself first. Paying yourself first doesn't mean you should buy the dream car. You should buy the dream house or any luxurious items. If you do so, it means you are paying the car manufacturers first. Paying yourself first means you are setting money aside to save in order to invest later. Sometimes they even invest before they spend the rest of their money. If you aim to be rich in the future, you have to start developing or investing in yourself. Spend a little money to attend seminars, conferences, workshops to develop your skills and your talents. This is how you pay yourself first to become rich. Number 5, they multiply their income streams. There's no rich person who has invested or put all his eggs in one basket. If you are an expert in any field like graphic designing, web development, or any other thing, you could become a freelancer to earn extra income to become rich. You could become a life coach or a business coach to earn extra income. Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo, apart from receiving their weekly salary from playing football, they receive bonuses or sponsorship deals from Nike and the likes. Number 6, The rich defer gratuity. The rich prefers to buy luxurious items at last. They are not being frugal. They rather prefer to buy items that they need. They measure between their needs and their wants. In so doing, they buy less expensive items and buy luxury at a later time. If you want to be rich, like Jack Ma of Alibaba, you have to rather invest in yourself first and buy luxury at a later time. 7. They take risks. There's no any rich person on earth who had never taken any risk to become rich. We all desire to become rich in our lives, but we don't make time to take risk to become rich. It is true that we all want safety, but playing safe doesn't make you rich. Elon Musk wouldn't have become rich if he had played safety. A lot of times, we are afraid to let go of the good and go for the great. Bill Gates resigned from working with IBM when his idea was rejected, but he is now worth over $100 billion. Number 8. They wake up early. One of the habits that separate the rich from the average is that the rich always wakes up early. You, Bill Gates, Aliko Dangote, Cristiano Ronaldo, Jeff Bezos, Jack Ma all have 24 hours in a day. What separates you from them is that they wake up early and take care of their mornings. They wake up early and intentionally prepare towards their day. Always create a to-do list for a day. Take smaller steps towards your goals. If you really want to be rich, like Larry Page, always wake up early. Number 9. They work. No one has ever achieved his dream by wishing for it. If you really want to be rich, you have to work towards it. Usain Bolt never became a champion athlete by chance. He worked for it. He rehearsed a lot. It is true that we all have dreams to achieve. But the thing is, if you never get up to work for it, it will never come to you. You will need to work hard in order to achieve your dream. But hey, not necessarily doing hard work. You want to become rich? Get to work. Work. Work until you get there. Number 10. They repeat their habits daily. The rich repeat their habits on a daily basis, ensuring they stay on track to achieve their dreams. As Aristotle once said, we are what we repeatedly do. Ensure you repeat from habit 1 to 9 on a daily basis to reach your goal of becoming rich. Just know that there's nothing like overnight success. Just ensure that you repeat your habits on a daily basis to reach your goal of becoming rich in life. If you desire to be rich in life, make sure that you follow the 10 habits of the rich people in order to become rich like them. Jeff Bezos, Aliko Dangote, Jack Ma, Bill Gates. If you have any habits of the rich, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share with others and subscribe. We appreciate you.